How do you feel when there is a minor fault on your gadget, bicycle, motorcycle, vehicle, and house electrical appliances, and you can't fix them, all because you don't have the right repair tools to use? Here is 2-in-1 repair tools. Everyone who use gadget, vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, electrical appliances, and everything that needs repair and maintenance must have. This will make you repair those minor faults without seeking for engineers' attention. The repair tools are multifunctional. They fit for every purpose. Click on the link below to place order for yours today at affordable price, payment on delivery, and free delivery to all locations. Place order today and enjoy this promo.